Hi everyone, Ben Groves here from MachineMetrics. Today we're going to have a look at the timeline within the MachineMetrics platform. To get to the timeline, we go to Machines over here. We then select the machine that we would like to look at. And then across the menu across the top here, we select the timeline. So this is the timeline, and I am currently looking at the last 6 hours. If I select this drop down, you can see that I can select various date ranges or specific custom date ranges, but I'm going to keep with the last 6 hours for this example. Now, what we have on the screen in front of us now is just the machine status. So the green tells me the machine was running, the blue tells me the machine was idle or it was not running. Now, this is important information. It gives you a high-level overview of what the machine has been doing for the past 6 hours. But as we all know, there's often so much more to the story that we should and can uncover. So with MachineMetrics, you can actually add as many data points to this timeline as you have available to you. Now, different machines have different levels of data that come from them. For example, this machine we're on now is a FANUC focus machine, so we can pretty much stream the entire control data out to our platform and then display it in the timeline. So some data points that are available to us here that we can add to the timeline often reside within this path window here. So let's look to add some of these. If I press add metrics up here, I've got several of these data points available, and I just select the ones I want us to show. So I want to see what parts we had. I want to show our downtime. I want to see the alarms that we had, the programs that we had. And if I scroll through, you'll see several other data points that we might want to capture. What I do want to capture here is the load of the Z-axis motor. And here we can see the path information I spoke about. So I'm going to show the mode and the tool number. Now, if you've got any sensors attached to your machines, temperature, vibration, current sensors, you can also plot these on this timeline as well. So I'm going to press add now, and I'm going to press save on here. And you can see how quickly this has populated this timeline. Super quick. Now here we can see we have actually been making parts in a pretty consistent manner, so that's good. We can see we haven't been air cutting or something like that. Down here we can see the downtime categorization that we've seen today, but we can see we've got a big block missing here. So either the operator can do that, or we can categorize it here for them. Below here we can see the alarms that we've had. So you could have automated this downtime categorization to populate the alarm categorization to populate the downtime reason here. Here we can also see we've had a load of sub-programs running, and we can also see we've got a lot of tool information. But because we're so high, such granular data, it's really hard to see. So what we can actually do is just zoom in on a real small scale and get see exactly what these machines have been doing. So we can see the tool numbers throughout time, we can see the mode of the machine, and we can see the load of the Z-axis on a pretty fine level. That's the timeline. So hopefully this can provide you with all the information laid how you want to see it in real time or historical. If you have any questions on this, please reach out to us. Thank you for watching.